Do you find satisfaction in real-life problem solving? Do you enjoy working with your hands and using a computer? Do you want to work in a technical field that offers room for growth, competitive wages, and quality benefits? Then consider a career as a CNC operator. You can complete an apprenticeship or learn from trade courses, but once you begin, you can expect competitive wages in an in-demand field. Whether you start your education on the job or through a short trade course, your wage will be competitive. Skip the university fees and begin learning and earning on the job. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. CNC operators use specialized programs to operate machines that cut, trim, and shape different material components into precision products for a variety of uses, like motorcycle gears, medical devices, kitchen utensils, and even pieces that are used in space exploration. These operators use software skills and computer-aided drafting programs to design and execute tasks crucial to the manufacturing process. Each part of your day will demand care and detail that ensures every part comes out exactly to specification.
I think my favorite part of the job is that it's always evolving. You know, you're always trying to get better. In all aspects, really. So, you know, whether it's programming, whether it's learning more about tooling, it's always challenging. It's always something new.
If you're looking for variety in your day-to-day work, as well as a healthy paycheck, you can shape your future as an industrial CNC operator. Learn more about this and other manufacturing careers at forgingfuturesidaho.org. This message has been brought to you by Forging Futures Idaho, an Idaho Manufacturing Alliance initiative.